My name is Chandan and I will be demonstrating the robot that I created using robotic operating system for the assignment 1 of medical robotics class. Here is my hardware setup. This is joystick connected to analog pins and it's the Arduino Mega board. Now I will be starting the ROS core. You can see this is the robot that has been created, and this is the joint state publisher. So now I will be creating my own node, which is a script file, and this launches a GUI. Initially it's not connected, so I'll connect to ROS joints. So it's connected to Rviz. Now I'll be able to move my robot. You can see the joint 1 values are printed also. Now I will connect my custom GUI node, that is python node.py, to the joint state publisher of this robot. As you can see, my node is created as chandan_node, and I have Arduino connected in a ROS serial, and it is publishing a topic name /x position /y position. So I have made this as a node which is publishing topics of x and y position. Now I will connect to ROS, and you can see it's connected. Now I connect my Arduino. As you can see, it is giving out data Arduino X, Arduino Y, and also a mapped value to the particular arm. Now I will move the robot using a joystick. I have given the Y position to the third link and X position to the first link. I can do both simultaneously as well. Now to see the reach envelope. Thank you for watching.